Welcome to DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa. Alright, so Box Cover Duttyberry here, Reggae Sumfest 2023, with the lovely, the beautiful, the very sexy Stalk. Ashley, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing.
Are you looking even better than I know you're feeling amazing?
I'm taking my little sweat out, but you know, it is what it is.
If this is what your sweat out look like, this is, yeah man. Alright, so tell me, how long did it take you to put together this ensemble?
One day. Listen.
Wait, yesterday?
Yesterday. It started yesterday. I picked it up today. I've been having the most crazy week. I was traveling from London to Amsterdam. They lost my luggage.
Oh, wow.
With all my show clothes.
Yeah.
I traveled to Toronto, buy them back. They lost it again. And so... yeah, it's Sumfest. It really look shaky, but
you have to show up and support.
Mid after still.
Yeah. Has it been any better in terms of your journey in the music industry with the whole planning and like the lineup and when you for go on? Because I know sometimes I did share on Twitter venting about like how chaotic it can really be as an artist. Because sometimes me never know so it's stressful behind the scenes.
It's very stressful. I can say like the bigger you get, it's like the more respect you get, and so like you know. Kind of sucks because like sometimes younger people, like smaller people, don't get like that respect or that look, you know. It's like you have to prove yourself over and over again for them to say, okay, yeah, here's some respect. But it is what it is. It's definitely better, I can say.
Yeah.
So yeah.
How many years have you been doing music now, Star?
Boy, I would say, I don't want to really count COVID. No, never really.
We're not count it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna say like 2 good years. 2 good years.
What the biggest lesson you've learned? In those 2 years now, what the biggest lesson you've probably learning about the industry and about yourself as an artist?
There's so much. I can't put that all together in like one kind of like answer, but I can definitely say it's a crazy like journey. You know, I've learned so much along the way where you know. It really takes experience in the field to get it, because I don't feel like I could really just like explain it to somebody and they get it. You know, it's like you really have to be here and be this to get it. You know.
You see your Stalk over here, so the interviews and all kind of things. When she just started, she did very shy. No one nobody has see her, but look at her now, thriving.
Thank God for growth.
Yes, love. Can you imagine start next year? Next year, we might see you on TikTok tapping and rosing.
It's a bill.
Oh, we're not going to that?
No.
You're not going to be there and doing all of this? Yes. Yum.
We're not writing that.
Okay, so tell me about like music, like future performances. Just talk to your fans and let us know.
I mean, I have a lot of future performances coming up. I'll be touring the US soon. I just got permitted to work there. Super excited about that. But new music is on the horizon, y'all. I just finished a project, which I'm really excited to share with the world.
Music video got drop on all kind of things?
Everything.
Okay. Shake out the body and them something there.
I say all of that now. But new music to come, man. I'm really excited to share it with.
Alright, so Stalk, I have like 1 minute left with you, so I'm going to play something called like Dutty Challenge Quiz, right?
Okay.
I'm going to give you a question and you have to answer quick and fast. If you don't know, pass. Okay? Ready? So true or false? Burna Boy bought Jada Kingdom a Birkin.
I didn't know that. Pass.
Okay. Name 3 of Bob Marley's children. 3 of Bob Marley's children. Alright. Who has a larger entourage? Idonia or Popcorn?
Pass.
Name 2 people on the $1,000 bill. The new Jamaican $1,000 bill.
Murder. Pass.
Spell Pampute.
P-A...
Yeah. Pam.
P-A-M-P-U-T-A-E.
Alright. How long should it take you from Kingston to go to Ochi? Roughly.
45.
Alright. Finish the lyric. I bet my opinion. I know. Alright, so this dancehall diva dated 2 rivals, both beginning with the letter B. This dancehall lady, she had 2 legends in a dancehall, both beginning with the letter B.
You see, though? It's a mix.
What's the ticket price, the highest ticket price for the Chris Brown concert?
1.5 million.
Alright.
Okay.
According to Roger Weil, what is the thing that bad bitches enjoy doing?
We can say it?
Yeah, man.
Bad bitch love bag,
Alright, so Dendra, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Brit.
Alright. Like, share, and subscribe is to YouTube, as Taps and Roses is to
TikTok.
And lastly, what's the name of the dancehall artist whose name could be interpreted as Minutes to 5?
Poverty?
Ah, yes. All right, come on. All right, stop. All right, so before you go, I just want you to go and say, box cover right there. But you know, you have the little sexy customer service voice. So you have to go give the people them the nice box cover. Take it away, because you're close to it, looking at the camera right there, so you know, yeah.
Box cover.
Oh, God.
And tell me you wanna be to yourself.